Hello viewers, welcome to Mahar Brothers YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to find the duplicate values in Google Excel sheet and highlight them. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then please I request you to subscribe Mahar Brothers YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload my new video you will get notification. So without wasting time, I will go to Google Excel sheet. Here is the Google Excel sheet. You can see these are the name of the brands and these are coming 2 to 3 times in this list. For example, I wanna show you the name of Yeti. You can see this brand name is coming 3 times in the whole value. Now for finding of these duplicate values and highlighting them, you have to first select this column and now go to format menu, click on conditional formatting. Now this is the range of the values on which we are applying the formula. I have to apply on only 500, rows number 506, and now select the formula cell. Okay, we have to select custom formula. Okay, and put this formula into this. I will provide this formula in the comment section or description of this video. Okay, now if you can see that these duplicating values are highlighted, like Yeti, Stanley, these are showing highlighted. You can see them, these are highlighted. Okay, this is how you can find duplicate values in Google Excel sheet and highlight them. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Mahar Brothers YouTube channel, and hit on the bell icon. Thank you so much.